Okay, your question is that an electric heater, okay, here it is given an electric heater draws a current of 10 ampere from 220 volt supply. Okay, so find the cost of using heater 3 hour every day for 30 days if the cost of 1 kilowatt is 5 rupees and 20 paise. Okay,
Okay,
so no
sir.
worry. First of all we have to do is that we have to find the power, right? So power.
Yes.
So you know what the value is given?
I is equals to
Given,
10 A.
given current is given that
Yes, sir.
10 ampere, voltage is given 220 volt. Okay, so first of all you have to calculate the value of power, and you know power value of power is P is equal to always equal to V into I, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So now we have to multiply it. So let's just multiply it. So here voltage is 220 volt and current is 10 ampere. So this will become 2200 watt. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So you, as you know that watt is a unit of power, right? So
Yes.
now the next thing is always you must know that 1 unit. Okay, the best thing is that you always must know that 1 kilowatt hour is always equal to 1 unit. What? 1 unit.
Unit.
Okay, so and the other thing is that here you also know that 1 kilowatt is always equal to 1000 watt, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear, Kimi?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So here, so if you have to get the value of kilowatt, then you will have to definitely convert into in kilowatt hour, right? So definitely you will say that then 2200, if you just write it down like this, that if 1000 watt is equal to 1 kilowatt, then 2200 watt will be equal to what? 2200 divided by 1000 kilowatt, right?
Yes,
Isn't it?
sir.
You will have to
2.2.
divide it and then con- yes, this you will have to
2.2.
divide it and then con- yes, this will be 2.2 kilowatt hour. So here we get that what is the power? What is the power this electric heater is 2.2 kilowatt, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
as it is given that here you will know
Yes, sir.
must know that that cost of cost of 1 kilowatt, sorry, here it will be 1 kilo uh, 20 as to that here is being used be used every day, every day. How much? How many hour?
3 hours.
3 hour, right? So if it is using 3 hour per day, so uh, okay, then power consume consumed by heater every day. Sorry, this will be every day. Right, Kimi? Right, Kimi?
6 points. Yes.
Hello. This line is clear, Kimi? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then total power consumed in 1 month, right? In 1 month. So as you know that 1 month there are 30 days, right? So we'll multiply it by 30 days. So now let's so it will be 2.2 and no, 9 to the 18, carry 1, 9 to the 18 and 1 19 and kilowatt hour, right? Then the total electricity consumed, our total power consumed during 1 month will be 198. So you will finally have to calculate the what is the amount. Till here, is it clear,
Yes, sir.
Kimi? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now all we need to do is that we have to calculate the total amount. Then total amount will be, so what it will be, 198 into
Good.
5.20
Yes, sir.
rupees, right, Kimi? Is it clear
Yes, sir.
till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will have to multiply it, right?
Yes, sir.
Just multiply it into 5.20. So the answer will be what? It will be 1099.60 rupees. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the total cost? That will be 1029 rupees point 60 paisa. Is it clear or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Tell me.
It's clear, sir.